Recently, it has come to light that David Brom, convicted for the murder of his family on February 18, 1988, is about to be released. For the last 37 years, I have had reminders of the evening when I was sent to a secluded residential area north of the city of Rochester to check the welfare of Bernard Brom due to concerns from the school that his son attended, as they had heard rumors during the school day that David may have harmed his father. When Mr. Brom was convicted, Judge Yancey Morse sentenced him to 3 consecutive life terms, which means he served 17.5 years for each term. The difficult thing for many in the community, as well as those of us that worked the case, was that Judge Morse made his 14-year-old sister Diane's file a concurrent sentence to little 10-year-old brother Ricky's. There were a lot of questions at the time why the judge had done that. Questions never answered were surrounded by the idea that Diane's life was somehow worth less than her younger brother's. Some argued that it was because Mr. Brom was 16 at the time, and the judge gave him some leniency due to him being a juvenile. Fast forward to the present time. Our legislature changed the law to where juvenile offenders of serious crimes in our state now do not have to serve their entire sentences before they can be eligible for parole, and made it effective immediately, including those previously currently incarcerated by our state, thus making Mr. Brom eligible. As Mr. Brom, as we are now told, has faced a parole board, they have determined he is now eligible to move from a medium security prison and step down to a halfway house and eventually finish the remainder of his sentence on parole in public. So with that, Mr. Brom is benefiting from leniency twice for mutilating 4 people, his family members, including his 2 younger siblings. Diane and little Ricky could be parents and very productive members of our society today, but were never given the chance due to Mr. Brom's selfish, immature 16-year-old actions. To Mr. Brom's credit, in my understanding, he has done remarkably well in the various prison settings and has reached an understanding of the seriousness of his crimes. Mr. Brom has apologized to everyone involved and is remorseful for his actions. I cannot stop what is already in motion, and we, as the public, must trust the parole board's decision and have to hope Mr. Brom is ready for this transition in his life. I'm very pleased to hear that, but it is still hard for me to accept and forget the sights and smells of what I saw that Thursday evening in 1988.